Stop by and take a look at the 2017 911. 911. Safety and dynamics, coupled with inner strength, a legend, and up to 3,200 RPM, the engine operates with dual injection. At up to 2,500 RPM, it even works with triple injection. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power driver's seat, keyless entry, power passenger seat, navigation system, driver airbag, passenger airbag, side airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.